Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Amazon Fire TV Stick. First thing, plug in the Fire TV Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the power adapter to the Fire TV Stick and plug it into an outlet. Use your TV remote to select appropriate HDMI input. Now insert the batteries into Alexa remote, then hold the remote within 15 feet of the Fire TV Stick. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until it pairs, then press the play or pause button to continue. Now, use the navigation wheel to highlight your preferred language. Press the select button to confirm. Then select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your password, then press play or pause to connect. Select register. I already have an Amazon account. Enter your Amazon email and password, then confirm your details. When prompted, select No to avoid saving your Wi-Fi password to the Amazon cloud for security reasons. Choose Enable parental controls to restrict content, which is optional. Then turn up the volume on your TV or audio system. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the remote to control TV volume and test it. Then finally, select apps you want to download and use, then sign in to the apps once they are installed. You can also explore categories like sports, kids, and more. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.